We heard from Fort Worth Fire Department and firefighters today telling us a story of a little girl who they think may have saved her family's lives last night.
You may have heard about this. She and 5 others in that home, they were taken to the hospital with carbon monoxide poisoning. All of this happened at a house in South Fort Worth. Those firefighters rushed in just in time to save that family. Our Olivia Leach speaking with them tonight.
It's heartbreaking.
The Fort Worth Fire Department says they received a call shortly after 8 p.m. Monday night from a child inside this home on the 8300 block of Orleans Lane in South Fort Worth. The girl said her mom wasn't feeling well. Fire crews rushed to the scene, unsure of what they'd find inside.
Right when we opened the door, the girl that did call 911 looked at us and said, "Mama upstairs," and then she collapsed.
They found 5 children and 1 woman in the home. The fire department says the children ranged from less than a year old to their teens. Crews rushed in and removed everyone from the home and brought them outside for treatment. All 6 were suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning and were rushed to the hospital in critical condition. The fire department did not have an update on their condition today. 5 firefighters who were on scene, including these 4, were also taken to the hospital for elevated carbon monoxide levels, but were released.
When we saw them, some of them we thought they were dead. We really did. It was that bad.
Fort Worth Fire Department says a preliminary investigation determined that a car left running in the garage was the source of the high levels of carbon monoxide in the home. We've reached out to Fort Worth police, who told us that at this time, no charges are going to be filed in this case.
Generally speaking, if you start to experience headache, nausea, dizziness, and there's more than one person that's experiencing those same symptoms in that residence or in that building, chances could be that you have a carbon monoxide problem. Get out, call the fire department, call EMS.
If that little girl wouldn't have taken the time to dial 911, we would have been having a very different story.
Olivia Leach, CBS News, Texas.